I just want to read something that Dewey said is democracy means freeing intelligence for independent effectiveness. So freeing your intelligence. So if you think about that, he had I don't know, maybe a lover's quarrel with the traditional education, where he thought that the school system was set up with maybe sort of an autocratic modality where there was one expert or maybe two experts, and then the students had to then learn according to that. And as a result of that, he thought that it really stifled, as Lisa keeps pointing out, that inquiry. It made people want to study to the test instead of exploring and asking the next question and finding a problem and keep moving, and just in that never-ending cycle. And I know that with a lot of the educators here, even the fact that you're interested in this topic, you are already thinking about these things. But we find when we get we have teachers who are coming really trying to explore, how do I really do an inquiry-based education for my students? And it's been fascinating to explore it through a kitchen.